The Mumbai Police Commissioner met NCP Chief Sharad Pawar. The meeting lasted for about 20 minutes. Remember, last evening, the NCP Chief met Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, in which, as per sources, Kangana's office demolition issue was also discussed. In fact, Mirror Now has confronted the Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh on the entire issue surrounding Kangana Ranaut. However, the top cop evaded Mirror Now's questions regarding this.
परमबीर सर, एनी एजेंडा कुछ
कंगना रनौत बाबत चर्चा झाली.
कंगनाबद्दल काही सो एनीथिंग यू डिस्कस विथ मिस्टर पवार?
Now remember, the Bombay High Court will continue hearing the actors' plea seeking stay on the demolition at 3 p.m. today. Yesterday, remember, the High Court slammed the civic body's move, asking how they entered the office premises in the absence of the owner. In fact, the High Court has also now asked the Mumbai civic body to file their response to Kangana's plea as well. Now remember, Kangana has alleged that the demolition had ulterior motives to it, and the civic agency has carried out the demolition citing illegal construction. Let me first go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining us live from outside the headquarters of the BMC at this point. Disha, this is going to be extremely crucial to see what the BMC files in the court today, considering they have been pulled up by the Bombay High Court, asking how did they really enter the premises in the absence of the owner in the first place?
Well, certainly, Apurva, in 3 hours from now, of course, the hearing will begin at the Bombay High Court, where, of course, the court yesterday slammed the BMC for entering the premises without the owner being present. And, of course, on several instances. First, the BMC also inspected the site for 3 to 4 hours in the absence of the owner. And yesterday itself, they carried out the demolition without the absence of the owner. So that is something which is clearly not, justified the BMC's move. And the court really has now asked BMC to file a reply, file an affidavit, and the matter again will be heard today at 3 o'clock. Remember, yesterday when the BMC officers reached the spot with the team of at least 30 to 35 BMC workers, they started demolishing at about 11 a.m. But then the demolition had to be put on hold, considering there were these court orders that were being pronounced, and that is why BMC says that their job was only half done. So now, of course, it remains to be seen today. It will be very significant that what the court really says, because yesterday the court had put a stay on the demolition of the BMC, and now today it remains to be seen at about 3 o'clock when the matter will be heard again as to what will really take place.
All right, Disha, request you to stay with us at this point. Let me also bring in my colleague Neha Kulkarni. She is joining us from outside the office of Kangana Ranaut. Remember, this is the same place that yesterday we saw. All right, before we go across to Neha on this, let me quickly bring in some breaking updates that is coming in at this point. Now, in a series of fresh tweets, Kangana Ranaut has once again targeted Maharashtra Chief Minister. She said, and I quote, "Your father's good deeds can get you money, but you have to earn the respect by yourself." So this is yet another tweet there that Kangana Ranaut has put out once again, hitting out at Maharashtra Chief Minister. Now, in this fresh tweet that Kangana Ranaut has put out, she says, and I quote, "Your father's good deeds can get you money, but you have to earn the respect by yourself." So that's the latest tweet there coming in at this point. In fact, remember, Kangana also in the tweet went on to say that you're just a symbol of dynasty politics. After losing polls, Shiv Sena turned into Sonia Sena. And Kangana further saying that the goons who broke my house can't be called the civic body. Calling goons civic body is an insult to the constitution. So that's the latest update coming in a series of tweets there, once again targeting a Maharashtra Chief Minister. Kangana Ranaut firing a fresh salvo on Twitter, again at Maharashtra Chief Minister, where she's saying, and I quote, "Your father's good deeds can only give you money. You have to earn the respect yourself. You're just a symbol of dynasty politics." After losing polls, the Shiv Sena turned into Sonia Sena. And the goons who broke my house can't be called the civic body. calling the goons civic bodies an insult to the constitution. So that's the tweet there coming in from Kangana Ranaut.